Yo, what is up guys? In today's video we're gonna do a challenge actually on Doom, and I have seen a lot of comments basically saying I should do a first person challenge, and that's what we're gonna be doing in this video. If you guys have any other ideas for challenges, comment them down below. If it gets popular or if it looks like a good challenge, maybe I'll record on it. But yeah guys, so we're going to do the first person challenge. I've never even tried this before, so I don't really know how this is going to work. So basically, I cannot play like this. I'm gonna have to play zoomed in the whole time, and this is gonna be really weird. I think I'm gonna mess with my field of view. No, I don't know. I'll just put it to default. But yeah, well, let's give it a go. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully, I don't mess up, but we'll see what happens. Alright, so okay, I already failed. But it's just really hard to see because you can't see anything. Oh my gosh. Okay, my rocket didn't make a hole in the wall. But yeah, let's try to do that again. So we'll place a bomb here. Oh my god. I can't really wait a second. Hold on. Hold on. Is this a broken server? Let me actually let me look. Wow. Okay guys, we're in a broken server. So yeah, let's try again, attempt number 2. We'll see where this takes us. Alright, so let's zoom in. Wall saving is pretty much impossible because whenever you look down, it's not exactly straight down. It's kind of at an angle. But oh, wow, that was pretty terrifying. We shot that guy's legs off. Okay. Alright. Bomb launching seems to be pretty easy. Alright, come on. Alright. I feel like I'm so short. Oh, hello. Combat is very difficult, I'm not going to lie. Alright. Hello. Yeah, I do have to be a lot more observant, though, just to see if any of their teammates try to come down and get me or something. Because since I'm not zoomed out, I can't see anything behind me. Oh my gosh. Okay. Are you serious? I hate when this happens. Alright, come on. Alright. Put a bomb. Alright, so far we're doing pretty good. Seems to be pretty easy. Place a bomb on this corner. Our base is in pretty good condition. And the way things are going, it seems like we'll win. Oh, the bridge isn't disconnected from their base. Whenever I destroy this, it should yellow should fall. There we go. Oh my gosh, okay. That did not work out very well. Place a bomb. Alright. Jump to the bottom. Oh, can we make it? Yes, we can. Hello. Okay, goodbye. Oh, you're back. Oh, he killed me. Combat, guys, combat is so hard when you... Oh, thank you. Combat is so hard whenever you're in first person. Oh, no. Oh, my God. Okay. Alright, come on, land on here. Yes. Yes, perfect. Hello. Oh. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no! Alright, I don't know what this guy's doing. Yes, guys. Okay, we won. First game in first person won. I don't think I've ever... Yeah, I've never done a first person challenge before. Oh, my chance. Goodbye. Oh. Oh, rip. Okay. Whenever I'm in first person, though, I feel like I'm so short. It feels so weird. But, alright. Okay, we got a good spawn. Oh, can we make it? Can we make it? Yes. Die. Alright. Okay. Shoot that. Blow a hole in the side. Alright. Get a hole in green. Alright, come on, guys. We gotta do this with no deaths. Sweet. Doing so good. Doing really good so far. Alright, come on. All we need is yellow now. Oh. Not really sure if we could Super Bowl jump in first person. Hello. Oh no, I just realized. Okay. That was a fail. Oh, no. No, please don't. Okay. I was gonna say, please don't end my streak. Alright, I'm just gonna bomb launch back to my base. I don't want to rocket. Oh my gosh. That almost ended very badly. Alright guys, but 2 wins in a row, and this time there was no deaths. So that's pretty good, I guess. Shoot her off, yes. Come on, come on, come on. It's so funny whenever you shoot off your teammates. Alright, okay, getting up the base looks really weird in first person. If you guys, I doubt a lot of you guys have, but I definitely suggest trying to do some of these challenges. Oh my gosh. Nice. Alright, leave me alone. There we go. Alright. See if we can do another game without no deaths. I'm not sure how great that's gonna work out, but... Oh my god, okay. Well, so much for a no death. Are you serious? Then is my base getting destroyed? I don't know what's going on right now. Whoever is in my base clearly does not know what they're doing. And yeah, what are you doing? This guy is like... Okay. Why do I always spawn at the bottom? What? How am I dying? What is this guy doing? This guy has no idea how to play. Yeah, I have no... That guy is something else. Okay. We're gonna destroy his base, hopefully. So, he stays out of mine. Oh, I see you. I see you. Oh, man. Alright, at least we got his base. Okay. There's still another yellow guy alive. Oh, we have a scam bot in the chat right now. That's pretty cool. Oh, okay, I didn't mean to zoom out. But, alright, let's go get blue. Oh, no. It's alright, guys. Alright. We'll get it this time. There we go. And the winning shot. Hello. Maybe not the winning shot. Move. Ha. Ha. Come on. Come on. Don't get stuck. Are you serious? There we go. What? What are they stuck on? Oh my gosh. There we go. Alright guys, so yeah, that is my attempt at the first person challenge. It went pretty well, I guess. Oh, can we make it back? Can we make it? Oh, we can't. Oh no, rip. Okay, well, I am going to zoom out now. But hope you guys did enjoy. That was a fun challenge. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more amazing videos. Check out my Discord. Both of my Discord servers in the description. We have my main one and the Doomspire one that I just got. Definitely check that out if you haven't already. Comment Super Bowl in the chat. Super Bowl. Just like that in the chat, and I'll try to heart it. But yeah guys, that is pretty much everything. So if you guys did enjoy, do all that good stuff, comment down below, and that is everything. So peace.